Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy. From the past 3 weeks, we are seeing that means market is oscillating in a small range. On a high side, if we see 11,350, we have touched, and from that we have seen a mild kind of the selling pressure. And on the downside, somewhere 10,900 has been tested, and from there we have seen a certain kind of revival. So from the past 3 weeks, the market is oscillating into the 300 to 350 point range. Seems to be a very small range, but if we look at a stock specifically, there is a good amount of the momentum is happening. So market is not performing well, but stocks are doing well. How it can be? The thing is that as of now, the bank Nifty, which is having or carrying a very good amount of the weightage into the Nifty as a broader part. So this particular sector means financial services sector has taken the back seat, but all other sectors means, let's say, the metal sectors, pharma sectors, auto sectors, IT sectors, they keep on moving on the rotational basis and pushing the market on the high side, or at least able to maintain its level. So this is the kind of thing that means market is into the sideways momentum, but yes, the stock specifically, there is a good momentum is happening apart from the banking and financial services stocks. If you look at the daily chart, we have seen a kind of the declining momentum. The four consecutive days the market has came down, but again this declining momentum has ended near about its role reversal point, and from there we have seen a kind of the upside momentum again. So in this entire upside momentum, we have seen that means market has able to maintain its upside momentum. So basically into the upside momentum, if we see, the supports are continuously finding the respect and the resistance are continuously getting violated. So this is what a basic structure of the positive. So in this attempt also, last week whenever we have seen the kind of declining momentum, but that declining momentum has not violated the support level. So underlying bias remains a positive, but as from the past 3 weeks, we are seeing the consolidation patch, and already we have taken off from the low level within a very great momentum on the high side. So maybe we can have the time-wise corrections right now, and on the higher end, 11,400, which is a 78.6 retracement level of the earlier fall that we have seen into the previous videos. Secondly, role reversal points of this particular line which we connect by a previous top, so it is also coming over there. So on the high side, the 11,400 is an acting as strong resistance points from the perspective of the Fibonacci retracement or role reversal from the trend line. Secondly, there is one more gap area is there, so it is holding its level on the high side where the buyers are facing difficult to push the momentum on the high side. But on the other side, if we are seeing that means market is continuously finding the support at its lower level, or the support levels are not getting violated. So there are two contradictions is there, but within that contradictions, the market is getting into the time wise corrections. So if we have to make a view, that means then it will be a kind of means a sideways to the positive bias, because the prices are just into the range of 10,900 on the low end, and 11,300 to 400 on the higher side. So this is a one broader range where we are seeing the time wise corrections, but the structure remains a positive because the resistance has always taken out and the supports levels are always found a respect over there. So as far as these levels are getting hold, which is our previous reversal point, or if we look at the lower band of it, so 10,750 to 10,550 level is becoming the immediate support band for the market from a short-term perspective. The move below a 10,550 level will signify a certain kind of a negative momentum, because by moving below this level, it is able to breach the intermediate levels, and the 10,550 is a role reversal point as well, or the support band as well. So if the support levels are getting violated, then it indicates a certain kind of a selling pressure. But as far as these levels are getting hold, it is indicating the positivity, and on the high side, the 11,400 is the immediate resistance point. The move above the 11,400 will spell out the further momentum on the high side. So in a nutshell, the view remains a sideways in the range of 10,900 to 11,400 within a positive bias, of course. A positive bias will sustain as far as 10,550 level is holding from the short to the medium term perspective. Immediate resistance is 11,400. Move above that, it can indicate the further round of positive momentum. whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.